This code demonstrates how memoization improves the time complexity of calculating the Fibonacci sequence. The recursive function is on squared, while the memoized version is optimized to on. Here we see an implementation of calculating factorials using recursion with memoization. Memoization stores the results of expensive function calls and returns the cached result when the same inputs occur again. This code shows reversing a list using recursion. Because a new list is created in each recursive step-by-list concatenation, this leads to a time complexity of BigO of n squared. To improve efficiency, this function reverses the list in place using recursion. By swapping elements at the start and end indices in each step, the complexity is reduced to BigO of n. We can check if a string is a palindrome using recursion with a time complexity of O and n. The function compares characters from the ends inwards, returning false if a mismatch is found. This is a classic FizzBuzz implementation. It iterates from 1 to 100, printing Fizz for multiples of 3, Buzz for multiples of 5, and FizzBuzz for multiples of both, or the number itself otherwise. Finding the lowest common ancestor, or LCA, in a binary search tree can be solved using either an iterative or a recursive approach. Both solutions assume the values exist and maintain an efficient time complexity. Object-oriented programming, or OOP, organizes software around objects from classes, promoting modularity and reusability. Encapsulation bundles data with methods, restricting direct access to maintain data integrity, as illustrated by the car example. Inheritance is an OOP concept where a subclass inherits from a parent class, allowing code reuse and extension. For example, a car inheriting from a vehicle reuses common methods like accelerate. Polymorphism allows objects of different subclasses to share a common interface, but implement methods differently. As shown, both checking account and savings account use the withdraw method, each with unique behavior. Abstraction exposes essential functionality while hiding complex internal details. Like driving a car, you interact with a simple interface, such as the steering wheel, without needing to know the engine's mechanics.